back to my channel, Calling Your Blog. This is Calling Home LLC, and yes, I am your host, William Gates. Now, like I said, this video was going to be about the challenges faced by small business persons and entrepreneurs. Now, I specified, I think it was 3 topics that or situations that I had addressed prior to addressing a few small business possible solutions in the aid of each other's production and growth. So with that being said, I'm going to jump right into it. And when I jump into this, I'm going to bring in this image of the actual interaction and let you read for yourself. You can gather what you can from it, and if you feel like you have something to say about it, you got a question about it, you've been in a similar situation and want to express your situation, please feel free to do so in the comment section, and I will also be revealing at the end of the video the opportunity, the gift that I am giving to other small businesses in light of the challenges faced and the growth of others. So, with that being said, the first situation that I'd like to address is the fraudulent customer. All right, so I know we've had those situations where a purchase was made or something to that extent happened or was processing, and customer possibly was unhappy with the time that it had taken, or was unhappy with the service communicated with them during the time of purchase, or just had a bad day, and they were upset. So after a continuous contact and not receiving satisfactory replies, they took it upon themselves to contact an outside mediator because they were unhappy. They relayed false information about the transaction, and after relaying the false information, they turned around, canceled the claim, only to see if they could speed up the process of what they purchased or what they wanted to receive, and to avoid reversal of the transaction. So they made a claim of some fraudulent extent of either not receiving the item, not actually making the purchase, or something to that extent. So at the end of the day, they wanted to apologize about it and trying to resolve a solution. They ended up receiving a refund, but the person did not want to continue business with that specific customer because of just that being something that they were willing to do to get what they wanted, you know. So yeah, that's one brief situation. If you've had a similar situation, and or you know somebody that's been in a similar situation, please leave that information in the comments. Subscribe to us so that you can hear more about these kind of situations and stuff like that. And if you know somebody, leave it in the comments if you feel a certain this situation could have been handled in a different way. If the business owner was wrong or the customer was wrong for how they treated the situation, then please feel free to leave that information or that comment. That situation could have been handled in a different way. If the business owner was wrong or the customer was wrong for how they treated the situation, then please feel free to leave that information or that comment, that reply, that question inside of the comment section, and as often as I can, I'll either respond to the questions, and feel free to interact with each other in the comments without any arguments or any disrespect. Go back and forth, and just talk about what happened, what could have happened, what should have happened, and yeah, we can go from there. And I'd like to thank everybody for joining, and hopefully you find some of this information entertaining, informal, or something for you to think about. So, all right, like I said at the end of this video, I would be revealing what my contribution to other small businesses is. Thanks again. This video was about the challenges of small businesses, and my name is William Gates, and my contribution to the challenges of small businesses is 1 free ranking and 1 free blog post on a paid verbal channel. So bring your best content, bring your best videos. I will rank and optimize your YouTube video or your Google video for free, and I will upload 1 free blog post in 2 paid blog environments. Thank you for your time. My name is William Gates, and this is Calling Home. CallingHomeLLC.com, or contact me directly at wgates@CallingHomeLLC.com.